Welcome back Beyond Crazy viewers. Today, we're delving into a phenomenon that's been perplexing people all around the globe in 2024, strange sounds emanating from the sky. Imagine hearing deep groans, metallic scrapes, or even trumpet-like sounds seemingly coming from nowhere. We're diving deep into these eerie occurrences and exploring the theories behind them. Let's get started. Unexplained global phenomenon. Imagine you're sitting outside, enjoying a quiet evening, when suddenly you hear a deep, resonant groan emanating from the sky above. Or perhaps you're startled by an odd, metallic scraping sound that seems to have no clear source. Maybe you even hear something that sounds eerily like distant trumpets playing in the clouds. These aren't scenes from a sci-fi movie. They're real experiences reported by people all around the world in 2024. From North America to Europe, Asia to Australia, individuals are documenting these strange sky sounds and sharing them online. The sheer variety of these noises, groans, scrapes, and trumpet-like tones has captured the attention of millions. Social media platforms are abuzz with recordings and discussions, with some videos garnering thousands of views and comments from curious and concerned viewers. What makes this phenomenon so compelling is its global reach. It's not limited to any specific region or climate. These sounds have been reported in urban centres, rural areas, and even remote locations. This widespread occurrence suggests that whatever is causing these noises is not confined to a particular environment, making the mystery even more intriguing. The implications of these unexplained sky sounds are profound. Are they the result of some unknown natural process, a byproduct of human activity, or something entirely different? As more and more people tune in to these eerie noises, the collective curiosity grows, driving both amateur enthusiasts and professional researchers to seek answers. In the age of digital connectivity, these strange sounds have quickly become a global conversation. People are comparing notes, analysing patterns, and theorising about potential causes. This collective effort to understand the phenomenon has turned what could have been isolated, fleeting experiences into a significant topic of investigation and debate. The Taos hum. One of the most infamous examples of these sky sounds is the Taos hum. Imagine a persistent, low-frequency buzz that never seems to fade, likened by many to the sound of a distant idling engine or a refrigerator's hum. This mysterious noise has been plaguing the small town of Taos, New Mexico for decades, leaving residents and scientists scratching their heads. What sets the Taos hum apart is not just its eerie consistency, but also its selective audibility. Only a small percentage of Taos's population can hear it, which adds another layer of mystery. Those who do perceive the hum describe it as not just an audible experience, but a physical sensation, often causing discomfort and even sleep disturbances. Extensive studies have been conducted to pinpoint the source of the Taos hum. Researchers have investigated various possibilities, from local industrial operations to underground seismic activity, but no definitive cause has been identified. This has led to a myriad of theories, ranging from the plausible, like low-frequency electromagnetic radiation, to the more speculative, such as secret military experiments or extraterrestrial origins. Despite the numerous investigations and the advent of advanced sound detection technologies, the Taos hum remains an unsolved enigma. Its persistent, almost haunting presence continues to intrigue both the scientific community and those who experience it firsthand. The Taos hum isn't just a sound, it's a symbol of our ongoing quest to understand the unexplained phenomena of our world. The Windsor hum. Moving north to Canada, we encounter another enigma, the Windsor hum. Residents of Windsor have reported hearing a strange rumbling noise, often likened to a low-frequency vibration. While some attribute it to nearby factories, others remain sceptical, highlighting the complexity of identifying the true cause behind these phenomena. Sky trumpets. Perhaps one of the most surreal manifestations of these sky sounds is the phenomenon known as sky trumpets, heard across different continents. These trumpet-like noises seem to emanate from the air itself, leaving witnesses baffled. The eerie similarity to musical instruments only adds to the mystery surrounding these inexplicable occurrences. Expert insights. Experts have proposed various theories to explain these strange sky sounds. Some suggest they could be the result of industrial activity or trains echoing through the atmosphere. Others speculate that natural phenomena such as deep earth vibrations or atmospheric disturbances may play a role. However, the unpredictable nature of these occurrences challenges even the most plausible explanations. Mysterious absence of clear causes. What's truly puzzling is when these sky sounds occur in locations devoid of apparent sources, such as factories or transportation hubs. This raises intriguing questions about alternative explanations, sparking curiosity and fueling further investigation into the mysteries of our atmosphere. Unresolved mysteries. Despite the plethora of theories, the origin of these sky sounds remains shrouded in mystery. Each occurrence adds to the complexity of the puzzle, leaving researchers and enthusiasts alike captivated by the enigmatic nature of these phenomena. As we continue to unravel the mysteries of our world, the allure of the unknown keeps us looking up and wondering. Audience engagement. Now, we turn to you, our viewers. Have you ever experienced or heard of these strange sky sounds in your area? Share your stories and insights in the comments below. Your experiences could provide valuable clues as we seek to understand the secrets hidden within the vast expanse above us. As we conclude our exploration of the times when the sky made these weird sounds, one thing is certain: the mysteries of our atmosphere are far from being fully understood. From the Taos hum to the Windsor hum and the elusive sky trumpets, these phenomena remind us of the boundless wonders that continue to defy explanation. Stay tuned for more fascinating insights on Beyond Crazy, where we venture into the realms of the extraordinary. Until next time, keep your eyes on the sky and your mind open to the unknown.